Hey everyone, welcome to ESC Grammar and Structure, your channel, where you learn and improve your English grammar and structure. Hey everyone, welcome back to ESC Grammar and Structure. Today we're diving into something that sounds scary, relative clauses. But don't worry, I'll make it simple, fun, and crystal clear for you. So, what are relative clauses? They're just parts of a sentence that give extra information about a noun. And we usually start them with words like who, which, or that. But here's the catch. There are two kinds, defining and non-defining. Let's break it down. Defining relative clauses. These are essential information. Without them, the sentence doesn't make sense. For example, the man who is wearing a red hat is my brother. If I just say, the man is my brother, which man? Too vague. The part, who is wearing a red hat, defines which man we're talking about. Notice, in defining clauses, we don't use commas. Simple. Non-defining relative clauses. These are extra information. Nice to know, but not necessary. For example, my brother, who is wearing a red hat, is a teacher. Even without who is wearing a red hat, the sentence is clear. My brother is a teacher. That red hat detail is just bonus info. And here's the trick. Non-defining clauses always use commas. Think of commas as little arms giving extra info a hug. Quick recap. Defining equals essential info, no commas, usually who, that, which. Non-defining equals extra info, always commas, never use that. So next time you write or speak, ask yourself, is this information necessary to identify the noun or just extra detail? That's how you know which clause to use. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends who struggle with grammar. And hey, drop a comment with your own relative clause sentence. I'd love to see your creativity. This is ESC Grammar and Structure, helping you make English easy and fun. See you in the next lesson.